Assalamu alaikum, I'm Muhammad Yasir, and today I'm going to interview with a person, a friend of mine who has recently started a new organization, an NGO, which is named as Neelam Foundation, and I will be interviewing with him, and then we will get to know about the foundation which he has started. Let's move towards him.
Go.
So, Assalamu alaikum. How are you?
Fine.
Okay, I'm also good. So today, before telling us about your organization, I would like you to introduce yourself to the audience who will be watching you, inshallah. So tell me something about yourself, please.
I'm Rizwan Qadir. I'm right now the student of Iqra University, and along with my academic studies, I am working especially for humanity, the cause, and the cause I started working for is with the name Neelam Foundation. And NF is actually right now working on three basic problems which are in Pakistan, that is health, care, food and education.
Alright, so the first question which I would let's start walking. The first question which I would like to ask from you is that who are the founding members of your organization? I mean, like, are you alone doing this, or you are doing it in a partnership kind of organization? Tell me, please.
Well, when I started Neelam Foundation, basically Neelam Foundation is a feeling, is a thought which I thought around about 4 years back. But when I started it, it was like as we normally have a quote or a poetry in Urdu, that is "Akela hi chala tha janibe manzil, log aate gaye karwan banta gaya." Similarly, I've got two of the directors right now working with me, named Mr. Saad Mohammad Khan and Junaid Siddiqui. They both are working with me.
So the second question I would like to ask about you is that this foundation, what are your aims for this organization in the future?
Well, the basic aim of my NF Foundation is to reduce the poverty ratio, to bring in the good health to the nation, especially to the people of Pakistan, and to bring education into those areas which are quite remote and they need lots of support, lots of help from us, from people like us. And I thought we can do it in a much better way. That is why these are all three sort of reasons I established Neelam Foundation.
That is a great thought. Okay, so next question I would like to ask is that what are the do you have any kind of branches of this?
Yes, I've got it's 5 to 7 branches right now working.
Okay.
Main office or the main branch is in Defence View in Karachi. The second branch, its sub office is in District Sangar, and one is in Thatta. And two of other branches we have just established, and they'll be working in Hyderabad and Kashmir, interior side.
That's really good news. Okay, so what are you currently supporting? Like, I would like to ask, what are you currently doing on which project you are like working right now?
Right now, it's actually we have taken all three things in consideration. But right now, I have tried my level best to complete two of the things first, utmostly with the health and food. We have collected the data of 2,500 families to whom we are giving ration, to whom we are providing food.
So what's your criteria, like if you get to know about a family that which is needy and which requires an organizational help, and if they contact you, for example, so what measures you take at first to support them?
Well, Neelam Foundation NF team of mine, that is the NF team that goes for a survey and finds out those people, because right now within 15 days we have got 2,500 families all around Karachi, especially right now. So we my team goes there, they start surveying, gather the data, and after gathering the data, when we see that it is a justice to provide them food and they really deserve that, so and they are really needy, so we provide them that food and such stuff.
Okay, so what facilities, basically the main facilities which you provide to them?
In terms of health, if you consider life-saving drugs that may cost 4,000 to 5,000 even,
you provide them?
We do provide them the medicines. As I told you about food, it's a care package food process of 15 days. We provide them the 15 days ration, and after that, if you consider health, the life-saving drugs can be given to individual people even. Let them to be 5,000, 4,000, because the amount may go even to 20,000, but we try our level best to provide each and everybody, because our basic aim is to serve humanity.
That's really a great thought. So if you help, so much families, we have so big aims, so definitely it will be costing a lot. So I would like to ask that I mean, who are your sponsors, or basically who is sponsoring you? So, or it is on all completely on your own. So, what are the measures in that case?
Well, as I told you before, when I started, I was thinking I'll be alone. Most of the people are right now efforting for their own survival because it has been quite difficult for them to survive. But on the other hand, when I started, I got hundreds of people with me who started donating. One of the financier, he's the director in a multinational company, and he was one of the strongest person to give us around about $1 million rupees. And in such sense, I've got hundreds of people who have started donating, and I would love to have more people who could be generously donate us so that we could do much better work in this era.
So that would be a great push, I guess.
Definitely.
Okay, so what are your basically future plans about your organization? How do you look the future of Pakistan right now?
Right now, there are lots of problems: starvation, food problem, health, as we people are considered to be in the third world country. So health is a big problem because of inflation. Most of the people cannot even survive properly. So our aim is to have the excess amount which we have in our homes. If we can even serve or donate a single rupee, that single rupee, individual single rupee, is collected by us. And when we collect them, those single rupees or single coins from different people, when I get them, from those amount we make millions, and after making those millions we are trying to support everybody. And individually, if I speak, my aim and my team's aim, NF Neelam Foundation's aim, is to serve this nation in a way as people should start thinking that Pakistanis do have something and they can help one another as a brother.
Inshallah. So the last question I would like to ask you is that what is the mode of supporting? Like after listening to all the answers you have given to me, I am personally impressed and I want to donate. So what is the mode? Like, do you have kind of a website or email address or Facebook something?
Well, on Facebook you can find our group. We've got the group with the name Neelam Foundation.
Okay.
And one of its mode to donate is our account that is in Bank Al-Falah. Okay. And thirdly, you can support us with the collection boxes which we have in different areas. And the campaigns are also going on. The campaigns like our ground crew or management team goes on the signals, and we start collecting from people there. And most of the times I ask my companions, and they, with the chain, they go and ask their different members of their families and relatives, and they start donating. This is how we people donate and collect amount. And then
so while concluding, I would like to say that in my opinion, my friend is doing such a great job, and I request all of you who are watching me right now to support him and make a better future for Pakistan. It was lovely talking to you, sir.
So nice of you.
Thank you so much.